Let us look at this 9th standard maths paper. Our section A, question number 1 will be MCQs. Factors of this. What could be the factors of this? How many of you would have a problem for this? If it is x squared plus 4. Now in order, sorry, x to the power 4 this is, right? X to the power 4 plus 4, only two terms are there. So I can see that this is x squared whole square. This is my thinking step, okay? And plus I know that if it has to be factorized, I should have an x square term here. So can you see this is 2 square? Understanding? So
Yes.
in the middle, if it has to be a perfect square, it should be 2ab term means 2 into 2 into x squared means 2 into 2x squared, correct? Which means I should have x to the power 4 plus what? 4x squared plus 4, but we took this out of our pocket, so we should subtract that. Did you understand what we have done?
Yes.
And then this and this, they become the two perfect squares. This is perfect square of, and what is this the perfect square of? What will be the factors here then? This plus this and this minus this. Where do you see that? Which option is it? Hello?
Option D.
Option D has both of these plus and plus. It should be minus 2x and plus 2x, right? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Huh. So now see, first few questions, your teachers will always give you very difficult ones. So if you are not comfortable with this, you will make sure that you drop this and go to the next one. Look at your second one. What is it saying? L, length of diagonal of the cube, and V is the volume of the cube. So length of the diagonal of the cube. Your diagonal of the cube is under root L square plus B square plus H square. But for a cube, all sides are equal. So A square plus A square plus A square means it will be like this, agreed? So what it will be? Diagonal A root 3. Agreeable to you? What is the volume of the cube? A cube. Correct? Hello? Understanding?
Yes.
So they are saying what is the relationship that is true. Now if you say diagonal is this, that means diagonal square is going to be equal to 3a square, correct? What is volume? Volume is a cube, which means it is a square multiplied by a, correct? Now if I take a square will be equal to d square upon 3. Understanding? See, this comes here in the denominator. Understanding? Multiplied
Yes.
by a. So you have v is equal to a d square. Oh, a means L it is. So volume will be equal to L d square. Is there something like that? No, no. Which one is this now? V square 27 V square is equal to L to the power 6. That means V square is equal to L to the power 6 upon 27. What is L? This is L cube upon 3 square, that is 9. No, this is 3 L cube square and upon 3 cube this is. So L cube, how will we do this? Volume is equal to A cube means it is L cube, correct? If we say this, volume is equal to L cube, correct? Not understanding? Is there anyone who's not understanding what I did so far? Shall I do it again?
No, ma'am, understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone who's not understood? Okay, all of you have understood this. ठीक है, so V is equal to A cube. A means L, so V is equal to L cube. V is equal to L cube is correct. So V is, so this is wrong because it is telling you if V is equal to L cube, then your V square will be equal to L to the power 6. So I cannot have it like this, correct? So this is wrong. Agreeable to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if V is equal to L cube, then they are saying V is equal to L cube upon root 3. Is it correct? We know that V is equal to L cube, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
you cannot say, according to this, V is equal to L cube upon 3, which is not the same, so no. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this one is coming to V is equal to L cube upon 3. How does L, oh sorry, L is the length of the diagonal. Sorry. Mistake. Okay, see, your D is equal to under root 3a squared. So this is equal to a root 3. Sorry, I thought L was the side of the cube. What is L? The diagonal of the cube. My mistake, okay? You understood, no? So L is equal to this. Understanding? Now they are telling you everywhere they have used L cube. Can you see over here? So if you make it L cube L cube is equal to A cube into 3 root 3. So if they are telling you this, if they take the square of L to the power 6 means you will take the square of this entire thing. So that will be L to the power 6 equal to A to the power 6 into 3 square means 9 into 3. So that is coming to L to the power 6 equal to A cube square is A to the power 6 into 27. Did they say that? Now see, L to the power 6, they are talking about V square. So this A cube means V, na it is? So it is V square into 27. So the first option is the correct one. See, the first few questions, they will be asking us to, rack your brains like this. Did you understand what I did? It is a little irritating. Shall I go over it once again? Tell me fast. Do you want to see the logic? Shall I just run over it once again? Tell fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody knows that the diagonal of a cuboid is under root what? L square plus B square plus 8 square, correct? But they say diagonal of a cube means it will be a square plus a square plus a square. Means what? It is 3a square, which means your diagonal is equal to square root of a square is a, and this is like this, but that is equal to L. Understanding? Now here they are taking L to the power 6. First option, they are giving L to the power 6. So I'm going to write L to the power 6 equal to A to the power 6 into root 3 to the power 6. So far so good. But now they are saying my L to the power 6 is V square. What is V? V means, what is V? V is equal to A cube, correct? L into B into H means A into A into A. So therefore L to the power 6 will become, this is A to the power 6 means A cube square, correct? Multiplied by this 3 to the power 6 multiplied by square root means half. You can write like this also. Understood this step?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
L to the power 6 is equal to A cube means V square multiplied by 3 ones and 3 twos. No, 2 goes 3 times here, right? So 3 cube means it will be 27. Can you see now this is the correct option?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here they are telling you L cube. Now L cube we would use this. If I use L cube, what will I get? Tell me. L cube will be equal to A cube, correct, into 3 root 3. Can you see that? What
Yes,
are they
ma'am.
telling you? Root 3 into V. Now A cube becomes volume. Volume multiplied by 3 root 3. What they are telling you? Volume into root 3, not 3 root 3. Okay. Now L cube here, what did we get? L cube equal to V into 3 root 3. Here they put root 3, here they put only 3. Did you understand? They did not put 3 root 3. Understanding?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
here they are saying V is equal to, it will be A cube. V is equal to what you will get here? V will be equal to L cube upon 3 root 3. Will I get this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, did you understand? This is a little irritating, but did you understand that if you find the earlier one difficult and this difficult, go to the next one? Understanding, do not waste too much time. But here I'm telling you under the circumstances how to think. The distance of the point blah from origin equal to how much? So distance is equal to, you know your formula, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember the formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, correct? Origin means what? It is 0 comma 0, correct? Yes. So
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will be y2 minus y1. So I'll do, sorry, x2 minus x1. I'll do this minus this and this minus this. Understanding? So minus 6 minus 0 means minus 6. And 0 minus 0 will be 0, obviously. So what will I get? Under root 36 means what? 6 units you'll get. This was easy, tell fast. Was this
Yes.
easy? Okay. Now
Yes,
see, I
ma'am.
told you not the first two questions they asked irritating, and remember these two questions are to demoralize you. It's like a purposely, you know, in cricket they have googly and bouncer. So they want to first scare the batsman, no, initially. So they'll put googlies and bouncers and all, correct or no? That's what they have given you, the tough ones first, and after that. So if the first couple of questions, if they are difficult, just drop them and go to the next question. Remember, within those 3 hours, you have to get maximum marks. Understanding? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Now let us look at this. This was easy. Now can you see this is, repeated? Can you see sine y, sine y? This and this. So what are they using? A minus b equal to 2, and they are asking a square plus b square. Correct or no? Did you understand the pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, did you understand that this is 1 upon sine y? So what are they using actually? If a minus 1 upon a is equal to 2, then they are saying a square plus 1 upon a square equal to how much? Did you understand? You simplify this. Did you understand the pattern? Did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand the pattern? Now from here, how will I get this? I have to square both sides, correct? This is the thinking step. Show the thinking step. What will I get if I square both
A
sides?
square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 4.
Minus 2 equal to 4. What did you say? So I'll get a square plus 1 upon a square equal to 6 milla. This goes that side, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? This is sine y square. What is this? 1 upon sine y square means cosec square, correct? That means
Yes.
this is equal to what?
6.
Did you understand how to? Did it go fast for MCQ? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us see. What are they saying? This again is looking complex. But 256. What is 256? I know that it is 16 square, correct? 256.
Yes, ma'am.
But what is 16? It is 4 square, correct? So it is square of 4 square, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But what is 4? It is 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power 2. Did you understand what?
Yes, ma'am.
Didn't understand.
Yes, ma'am.
256 is 16 square. Okay, 16 is power of 2. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 this is, correct? Now understood? Did you understand
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
And that
Yes,
is to the power this. So when they are telling you 256 to the power this, they are telling you 256, sorry, they are telling you 2 to the power कितना है 8 no, this is 2 to the power 8 we said, right? Yes, 2 to the power 8, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
2 to the power 8 to the power 0.16 means 16 upon 100. Did you understand? Multiplied by 2 to the power 8 bracket to the power what? Did you understand this? So 2 to the power 8 and this will get added. 16 and 9 is 25 upon 100, correct? 25 ones and 25 fours, correct? 4 ones and this will get multiplied, correct? So 2 to the power 2 means, is there 4 anywhere? Did you understand? Not an easy question paper. Okay, so far only these two were the proper question according to 9th standard level. Rest of them were a little too difficult as the difficulty level. If you look at the difficulty level, no, so it will be like that. Okay, let us come to AD median of ABC. BC is 10. From here to here, this is 10. You can quickly draw the diagram. AN is 6 while I'm writing this. And area of ADC. AN is 6. And ADC, they are asking this. Okay. Now tell me, what will be area, your thinking step? Area triangle ABC. ABC will be equal to, tell me, half base into height. Base means how much? 10. MCQ, so I can just write the numbers. Understood? Height is how much? 6. So 2 ones and 2 fives. How much it is? Tell me. 6 fives, 30 centimeter square. What is that? Area of this full thing. Understanding? But D is the midpoint, means the base is half, no, for this. Height will be the same, correct? So you can say that DC is going to be 5 centimeters. So area of this is going to be half into 5 into 6. Okay. That will be equal to 15 centimeters square. Or you can say that this is median. So the area of this triangle and the big triangle. Can you see over there? This is a median. So this triangle and this triangle, they'll be equal in area because their bases are equal. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So if this has the area as x centimeter square, this triangle also will have area how much? X centimeter square. And the whole thing is how much? 30. So 2x is equal to 30 centimeter square. Each one will be 15 centimeter square. Or you can take, this is 10, this is midpoint, so this is 5. The vertical height is 6. Find this area this way. Did you understand? Two ways you could handle this. So which option it is? Which option it is?
C.
Now tell me. The length of the side of the square is same as the length of the diameter of the circle. Then the ratio of their areas. So if I say that there is length of the side of the square, let us say, is x. So the area of square will be equal to x squared, correct? Is equal to the length of the diameter of the circle. So the radius of the circle will be x upon 2. Agreeable to you? What is the area of the circle? What is the formula?
Pi r square.
Pi r square, which means it will be pi. Can you see they have given pi here, pi here, pi here. So don't write 22 upon 7. And here what you'll write? X upon 2 whole square means x square upon 4. So now if you have to find the ratio, it will be area of square is to area of circle will be equal to x squared is to pi x squared upon 4. So x squared got cancelled and this 4 comes here. So 4 is to pi. Did you understand what they have done? Is 4 is to pi. Where is 4 is to pi?
C.
C.
See this one, 4 is to pi, no? Okay. Yeah, I looked at it as 4 upon 7 I read. There's too little gap, no, between this. Can you see that? So I made a mistake in reading this. Okay. Number of rounds in a wheel of diameter this will make in going 4 kilometers is. Now number of rounds, we need first the circumference, correct? What is the circumference? You all are writing number 8, you all are writing the working also. Circumference is 2 pi r. What is value of pi? 22 upon 7. The diameter is 7 upon 11. So the radius will be 7 upon 22. Do you agree with that? Did you understand what has happened? Now can you see this got cancelled? Circumference is how much? 2, correct? Now number of revolutions is the total distance how much? 4. Now this is meter, no? This is meter, okay? So it is how many meters? 4 kilometers means 4000 meters upon 2 meters. It will be 2000. Where is 2000? Correct? Now some of you must have seen this and you would have said, oh, 7 upon 11. The calculations will be difficult. But did you see the calculations were easy? So sometimes easy can be difficult and what looks difficult could be easy. Alright, but just use calmly everything. Remember, all of you know everything. Do not panic. Alright, make sure that you just look at the questions where you have a little problem. Those you can solve and just focus on your revisions and keywords and the formulas and focus on the diagrams. Read this.
If P is a point on side AD of parallelogram ABCD, then the area of parallelogram ABCD, if PB is equal to 8 centimeter and BC is equal to 17 centimeter is.
Okay. Now can you see over here, they are asking for area of the parallelogram. Can you see this triangle and the parallelogram? They have the same base and between the same heights, which means the parallelogram will be double of the triangle.
Yes,
Can you see they have given 90 degrees means using Pytho theorem you can find this.
yes,
How much will be this using Pythagoras theorem?
15.
Huh. 15, correct or no?
15.
So you will have, this is point P, na?
Yes.
Huh. So PC square will be equal to this square minus 8 square. So that is 289 minus 64. How much is that? 225. So PC comes out to be root of that means 15 centimeter. Make sure that you write centimeter. This is your 15. Now for this triangle, this is the base and this is the height. So you have drawn the diagram, right? Area triangle will be equal to what you'll say, half this base into this height means 8 into 15. So how much it is? 60 centimeters square. But the triangle will be half of the parallelogram. So parallelogram will be double of this means 120.
120 centimeters.
Okay. So we come to the month of August, which is the median date. Now median date in the month of August. August has how many days? 31 days. 31 days, correct? The median date will be, now this is odd, correct? N is equal to, this is the value of N. What is your median? Median, if it is odd number, it is N plus 1 upon 2th date, I'll say, not term, but I will say date because they're asking median date. Okay, so this will be 31 plus 1 means 32. 32 upon 2 means 16th date. Where is 16? Understanding. Understanding.
Yes.
Now this one is in the figure. 500 rupee note is given. The volume of the bundle is 98 centimeter cube. Length, breadth is this. Thickness of one note they are asking. So what will I say? Volume is equal to L into B into H. Do you know this formula?
Yes.
We know
Yes,
the
ma'am.
formula, correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
98 is going to be equal to 14 into 7 into height. Agreed? Now 14 7 is 98. So height is going to be equal to 1 centimeter. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they are saying that there are 50 notes. So the height of 50 notes is 1 centimeter. So the height of one note will be how much? It will be 1 upon 50 centimeter, correct? Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the choices. They have given 1 centimeter, millimeter, millimeter, millimeter. So I will look at 1 upon 50 and I will make it into millimeter. Tell me 1 centimeter is how many millimeter?
10
In 1 centimeter, how many marks are there? They are all millimeters, no? How many are there?
10.
So those many millimeters, understood?
Option C.
So 1/5 means 0.2 millimeter. Where is the option? Look.
C.
Did you understand how most of these are not straightforward questions? Okay, but if I am telling you how to think, do you think it is doable? You should not panic. Main thing is that you should not panic. Understanding? If you panic, then you spoiled the game. You lost the battle. You are not to panic. Can you read this next one?
A point is 4 units away from the origin. If it lies in the first quadrant, how many such points exist?
Now this again is going to make you think. 4 units away from the origin. Now look here. First of all, get diagrammatic representation. Do you know this is the origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is first quadrant because they're saying first quadrant. So I must know which is the first quadrant. At least this I should be able to think. Do you think this part is difficult?
No.
It's not difficult, correct? Everybody knows this thing. Now they are saying that 4 units away from the origin. From the origin, 4 units means it could be here, 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 it could be here. Can you see that? Can you see that? It could be
Yes,
anywhere because it is 4 units from the origin. Understanding? Now they are saying that a point is 4 units away from the origin, and if it is in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, 4 units away means it could be this, it could be this, it could be this also 4 units away. Correct? Now, how many such points? They will, I have drawn 4, but between these two there will be infinite, no? Tick, 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 tick. Infinitely any is the answer. And this was again a trick question. Okay, this was not an easy question. Understood? From here to here, I can have, see, between 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, there are infinite points. Is it not so? How many real numbers are there? Infinite, yes or no? Can you count them?
No.
You will say, okay, 10 are there because you can see the millimeters. But if I say real number and real numbers, between 1 and 2 natural numbers, between these two, there are infinite numbers, no? Real numbers, correct or no? Okay, so remember that. Assertion, median of blah 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 is 39. What you will have to do over here, first arrange them in ascending order. What does median mean? You have median.
Yes.
So ascending order, right over there, ascending order. What is the ascending order? Tell me, what is the smallest number? 31, no? Then can I say 30? 31 is not there.
25.
25 is the smallest. Oh, so 25. 25. After that, there is 26, 30, no, straight 31. Then 32. So I'm just cancelling this so that I will. Now, after that, which one do you see? 34. And I'm just cancelling this. Then 39. Then
43, 42, 42.
42. Then
43.
and then
239.
oh, there are two 39s. Good observation, girl. Okay, 43 and 46, 45. 45 and
39.
oh, 39.
Ma'am, there's only 139.
Oh my goodness, you read this also? Somebody gave me there is two 39s. Okay, it's the median, okay? So you can't touch this. So 42, 43, 45, that's it, and 46, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we are correct. Now here n is equal to 9. So what is our median? Tell fast. What is the formula? N plus 1 upon 2th term, no? 9
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
1 means 10. 10
Yes,
upon 2
ma'am.
means, can you do this mentally like this? Which is the
Yes,
fifth term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct?
39.
So they are true. Assertion is true. Reason for even number of observation, no. This would be for the odd number of observation. So this
Yes,
is false. Okay. So A,
Option C.
both of them true, no. Option C is correct. Okay. In MCQs, they will make you lose time, huh? Remember that. So if you want, you can choose to start with section 2. Understood? Section B you can start with and then come back to this. Because see, these are going to give you 15 marks and actually 1 mark per if you take, then this should take 15 minutes. But this will take you something like 40 minutes because they are application questions. Now in 40 minutes, question from the section B, you can do quite a lot.
Yes.
You understood what I'm saying? Hello? You understood what I'm
Yes,
saying,
ma'am.
right? So you could start with section B. Make sure that you number the questions properly. Will you remember that? Read.
A chord of length 70 centimeter is drawn in a circle of radius 37 centimeter. The distance of the chord from its center of the circle is.
Now I don't have space here, but you can show the small diagram right over there, number 14, and then there is a chord, there is a center. The chord of the length 70 centimeter. So from, let us say, A to B, this is 70 centimeter from here to here, and the radius is from here to here is 37. So I'll have to drop this because this will be OP. This is the distance of the chord from the center. So this is going to be 35, agreed? This distance will be how much?
Yes,
This one. Why? Because perpendicular from the, come on, tell me the reason. Perpendicular from the center bisects the chord.
Bisects the chord.
Alright. Now your OP square, write this side. I don't have much space there, so I'm writing here. OP square will be equal to AO square minus AP square. You can do this, correct? So that will be equal to 37 square minus 35 square, correct? Now purposely they gave you odd numbers like this, but make it like A plus B and A minus B. Understanding? So see what you are getting. If you add this 7 and 5, 12, 72 multiplied by here 2. Can you see?
144.
Not 144. Now the thing is that here this is 36 into 2 into 2 means 4, and OP is going to be root of that, which is what? 9 into 2 means, sorry, 6 into 2 means 12. Did you understand how to go for calculations? Hello. Even if you say 144,
Yes.
root of 144 means 12. Where is 12? Understood? This was relatively average. This is the normal level of your 9th standard work, remember. Okay, this is, but they have asked quite a few difficult questions, but doesn't matter. Let us look at this. What are they telling you? PQ, QR, RS. Can you see that? Now, if these are equal, then this will be X, X, X. Have you drawn the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the reason for calling them X each?
Equal arcs subtend equal.
Angles at the circumference, correct? Now, what are they telling you? Arc PM. This is equal to this. So this one will subtend this angle. This will be Y. And this one will subtend this angle. This will be Y. Again, equal arcs subtend equal angles at the circumference. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they are saying PMS. Okay. Now tell me, if this full thing is x plus x plus x, how much is this full thing? Tell me.
PX.
Huh. Means 60 degrees. What kind of angle is this? Whatever, what can you see? This will be equal to this, and these two are equal. Can you see that? So 60 plus
Yes.
2y is equal to 180. So 2y will be equal to 120 degrees. I'm skipping the steps because mental maths. And y will be equal to 60 degrees, which means it is equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. Option B.
Did you see that? Now this one
Yes,
also
ma'am.
is slightly on the difficult side. So you will see that it had only one easy and approximately 4 average average level, and 10 were difficult questions out of 15. Did you see that? So obviously you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
waste time now on these. Understanding? So what should be your planning? You can go for section B first. Understanding what I'm saying? Now we
Yes,
start
ma'am.
with question number 2. Now some of the questions you should be able to handle on your own. Cross section of the concrete wall to be constructed. This is 2.2 meter wide at the top, and this. So can you see it's a cross section is a trapezium? Can you see that? They are saying
Yes, ma'am.
the total cross sectional area. What will be the cross section? Area of cross section will be equal to area of trapezium. Do you remember trapezium formula? It is
Yes,
half
ma'am.
into,
The sum of parallel sides into height.
this is your question 2A. Okay, I hope you have written that. Now, will you be able to handle this? Tell fast. It will be what?
Yes,
Meter square. Okay, so it will be according to the diagram. It will be 0.2 plus 2 multiplied by height is 4. So 2 went twice. So we have 2.2 into 2 is 4.4 meters square. Did you understand? This was good enough? Volume of the concrete wall. Can you see the length is 40 meter, they are saying. The length over here is 40 meter. So what will you say? Volume
Area cross section.
Is going to be area of cross section multiplied by the, in this case it will be the length.
Yes.
Okay, so just show the arrow like that. So it will be 4.4 multiplied by 40. Okay, so that will be equal to blah meter cube. You can do that on your own. Just move to the next one. We don't have time to do every step. Remember, when it is last minute revision, you can't do everything. Now L, M, N are midpoints of this, and they are giving you AB is 10, so this is 10 this way. MN is given here, this is 3. AC is from here to here is given as 8 centimeter. Find the length of LM. Now LM is this. This is going to be half of this means 5. Then they say LN. This is going to be half of this means 8. 8 upon 2, sorry. So that will be 4, correct? And BC is going to be, if this is 3, then this will be 6. Each time you have to write the statements using MPT. Was it doable? And perimeter of the trapezium is also easy. So we come to this regular hexagon. DC is the side of regular hexagon, no, pentagon, and AD is the diameter, and what is BD and CE? BD and CE, they are the sides of regular hexagon. Okay, so if you have to do this and this and this, okay, regular hexagon. So this angle, now I'm going to just use the thinking step, all right? This is going to be what? 360. I have told you how to write the statements. Go through the statements. There's no time to do everything, okay? So this upon 6. So that will be 60 degrees. Yes, somebody's mic is open. I can hear all the vessels in the kitchen. Please mute yourself. So this is 60. So this also is going to be 60. Correct or no? Because this is the side of regular hexagon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this angle,
Yes.
if I call it as X, this also will be X, agreed. And they say DC is the side of regular pentagon. So this angle, we'll call this as Y, will be 360 upon 5. How much is that? 72 degrees, correct? Now they are telling you BDA. Where is BDA? BDA, this one. They are telling you this one. If this is 60, then let us call this as A and A. We know these are radii, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So this angle equal to this angle. So what will you get in this triangle? A plus 60 degrees equal to how much? You have to write this what I'm writing. So how much is A? 2A equal to 1, sorry,
And 180 degrees.
Exactly. Is equal to 180 degrees. So 2a is equal to 120. So a is equal to 60 degrees. Yes. So this is your first answer, 60 degrees. What is ABO? ABO. This is 60, correct? This is 60 degrees. Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Have they given you this is 90 degrees diya hai? Even if they did not,
Yes,
did they
ma'am.
say that AD is the diameter?
yes.
So angle in a semicircle, this is 90 degrees. Okay. Now in this triangle, which one? This triangle. In this triangle, what do you see? This angle over here, if I call this as B, then what will I say? That 90 degrees plus B plus A equal to 180 degrees. Yes. See here, 90, this is A and this is B. Understanding in this triangle. Are you able to see this
Yes,
triangle, all of you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your 90 degrees goes that side. So B plus A equal to 90 degrees. Correct? And A is 60 degrees. So B, that is this, will be 90 degrees minus 60, which is equal to 30 degrees. We don't have time to write all the steps, but remember to write the statements and reasons the way I have told you. So DCE now. DCE is going to be this angle here. Okay. For this angle, uh, you will have to, can you see this is 30? You will have to find this angle small c and this angle small c. Will you be able to handle this? In this triangle,
Yes,
OD
ma'am.
equal to OC. So this angle equal to this angle, angles opposite equal sides are equal. Y is how much? 72. So what will I get in this triangle? In this triangle, you will have 72 degrees plus C equal to 180 degrees. So 2C is equal to 108 degrees. So C is equal to 54 degrees. So this is 54 degrees. This angle over here, this one, will be in this triangle. This is 60. This equal to this. So this angle and this angle, they are going to be equal, and this will be 60 degrees. Understanding? So this 60 and this 54. So DEC will be 60 degrees plus 54 degrees. Understanding? And that is equal to 114 degrees. Understood? Not an easy thing to
Yes.
get those 4 marks. EAC. Where is EAC? EAC. EAC is this angle over here. So I will just clear this. They are asking for this. This is your D. Now tell me, this one came out to be 60, no?
Yes.
You remember this
Yes,
was
ma'am.
60? Can you see angle at the circumference made by this chord or this arc? And this is angle at the circumference. So D is going to be equal to half of 60 degrees. So that will be equal to 30 degrees because angle at the circumference is half angle at the center. Okay, it was not an easy question. Section A, deliberately they have kept difficult questions. As you can see, it is taking too much time even to solve it mentally and get the thinking. So when you write it down, it's going to take you longer. So you look at your section B first, read it properly, and then check if section A, how is it? If it's easy, then only touch section A. Otherwise, start with section B. Understanding? You understood the planning? Kiddos, it's
Yes.
very important planning, I'm telling you. All of you are understanding? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us come to the this thing. P is the midpoint of BC. Q is the midpoint. Sorry, it is a point on AB such that AQ is to QB is 3 is to 1. So call this as 3x and call this as x. Did you understand what you have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now prove that the area of triangle ABC is equal to 8 times. ABC is the big triangle, is 8 times the area of PBQ, that is this. Okay. How's it? Bad, no? Bad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now remember, this is section A. So chances are your school also could ask section A difficult. Alright. Now to begin with, whenever there is area, you have to think of area theorem. Do you remember anything about the areas? Do you know if there is two parallelograms with equal bases? What do you know? The areas will be equal
Areas
between
will
the
be.
same parallels if they are correct.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you also remember that if there is a parallelogram and there is any triangle with the same base and between the same parallels, the triangle will be half of parallelogram.
Half of, yes, area of triangle.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it coming to you? Is parallelogram double of this triangle? Yes.
Yes, true, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Parallelogram will be double of triangle, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Because triangle is half of parallelogram, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Correct,
Yes?
correct.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, do you know that here they are giving you 3x and x. So they are looking at this triangle. Okay. And in this triangle, I can see actually total 3 triangles. Are you able to see 3 triangles? One is big one and the other one is this one and the other one
Yes.
is this one.
Yes,
Are you
yes.
able to see
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Triangle.
Okay. Are you
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to see that all these 3 triangles, they are having the same common vertex?
Yes, ma'am.
That means the height will be the same. Okay.
Yes.
So this area will be half base into height. This triangle will be half this base and height. Height will be the same, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Right.
height will get cancelled, right?
Yes.
So I am going to start statement number 1. I will say let AQ equal to 3x units. Why? Because they didn't tell you centimeter. And QB equal to x units. And here the reason will be since AQ is to QB is equal to 3:1. Do you think this makes sense to you? Even if you, let us say, got confused looking at this much makes sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now, because they are asking area ratio, I saw that this triangle and this triangle, they are going to have the same height. So their areas will be proportional to their bases, no? So I'm writing here statement number 2. Therefore, area triangle APB upon area triangle, which one? PQB, will be equal to, see, when I write half base into height, half base into height, half gets cancelled, h gets cancelled. Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
So base of
Yes, ma'am.
base of APQ is a, 1 minute, APB. Why did I write APB? Sorry, mistake. APQ it should be, huh? Sorry. If I take, because I want to take this 3x, no? 3x means I can't take big triangle. I'll have to take which one? This one, correct? Understanding?
Yes.
Okay.
PQ.
Huh. So the base will be what? AQ. Upon what is this base? QB. Understanding up to here? Now here the reason is I have given it to you, but maybe you'll have to polish all the formulas and all, no? So I'm just writing over there. I have given it to you. areas of triangle having common vertex. Common vertex. Common vertex means the same height, okay? Because there's a common vertex, same height. And bases along same straight line are proportional to their bases.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now AQ upon PB means it will be 3x upon x. Correct? This will be from statement which one? 1 or given. No, we've written 3x and this thing. So that is equal to 3 upon 1 is doable to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand up to here? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now tell me, they have given P as the midpoint and they are telling you us to take the ABC triangle. Now ABC triangle, if this is the midpoint, won't this area and this area be the same? Because the bases are half, no?
Yes, ma'am. They will be.
A median
This is
divides the
yes.
triangle into two equal areas. AP becomes the median, yes or no?
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So now
P is
tell
midpoint,
me,
so AP will be median.
exactly. Okay. So tell me, if APB, if I know, what will be the APB? Hey, actually, oh dear me, I will show you a shortcut. Let me just write this.
Yes, ma'am. Please do.
And you have to, I'll just write TPT over here and I'll just create some space. Okay. Okay. So this is 3 upon 1, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you will say, therefore, triangle, sorry, area, triangle, oh my goodness, I forgot. This is P, no? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
APB will be equal to area of which two triangles?
ABC.
APQ plus area triangle which one? PQB, correct? Understanding? But this is 3 and this is 1. This is 3 and this is 1. But it doesn't mean it is 3 square units. So I'll have to call this as 3m plus m. That means it is 4m square units. Okay. And then you will say fourth one, area triangle ABC, the big triangle, is going to be equal to twice area of triangle what? APB.
AP.
Okay. And the reason will be median AP divides, because the bases become halved, no? Median AP divides triangle in two equal areas. Okay, so that will be 2 into how much? 4m, which is equal to 8m square units. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Then statement number 5, they are telling you area of triangle equal to. So I'm writing, no, not statement number 5, sorry. Okay, now equal to below equal to I will write. Now it is 8m. What is m? Can you see this m?
Yes, ma'am.
8 into area triangle PQB. Understood? And this will be from statement 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Understanding? And then I'll say proved. Okay, now the alternate method I was telling you was this. In place of this, I could use, because they want ABC, so I will take APB triangle. Okay, so area, right over there or, and right over there statement number 2. Okay, area triangle APB upon, they want PBQ, so I'll say area triangle PQB will be equal to, now see, APB and this one, both of them have the common vertex P.
Yes, ma'am.
So their basis will be AB upon QB. Did you understand? Here I took AQ upon QB, but I can do directly like this. Did you understand what I did?
Yes. P is common.
So I will say, no, sorry. What is this? AB upon QB. And what will I write? The same reason. Read the reason. Areas of triangles having
common vertex
and
bases along same line are proportional to the bases.
okay, so AB will be what? Tell me, where is AB? It will be AQ plus QB upon QB because of the diagram. Now AQ is how much? 3x plus x upon x, which is how much? 4x upon x means 4 upon 1. Understanding? Hello?
Yes,
Then after this would remain the same. What you will say? Triangle ABC is equal to twice APB. And can you see we are writing here 4m? Can you see directly? So we don't have to write this again. Understanding? After this it will be the same. 2 into 4m, that is 8m, and then 8 into m means this. Understood? But in place of this we could have done this directly. Now your school may not give exactly the same type of paper, but their policy will be the same, no? To give you difficult questions in the beginning. Correct? So I'm just teaching you how to think on the spot. Understanding? What am I teaching you? How to think on the spot. Now tell me, area of the circle is this given. Calculate the radius. So can you see if area is equal to 301.84, area means what? Pi r square, and that will be 301.84. So you will say 22 upon 7 into r square is equal to 301.84. So r square will be equal to 30184 upon 100, correct, into 7 upon 22. Now you'll say that, ma'am, we don't like the calculations, correct or no? This was easy to write. This is irritating. Little irritating, yes or no? But remember, this is r square, so you're going to get a square here.
We have to get a square.
So you divide by 11, no, first. If it has to be perfect square, at least I know that 100 is a square, right? So 22 should be gotten rid of. So 11 twos हो गया. Now tell me 11 how? 22 remain 8. 11 sevens 77 remain 4. 4s and 4s हो गया. Understood?
Correct.
Now 2 also
Yes,
should go, no? 2 also has to go, right?
Yes,
2
ma'am.
ones, 2 threes, 2 sevens, 2 twos.
1, 3, 7, 2.
All right. Now, can you see there is 7 over here? Can you see there is 7 over here? See,
Yes,
don't touch this. This is already a square. Leave it like that. There must be a 7 sitting over here, right? So I'm going to write this as 7 into, see, if I divide this by 7, what will I get? 7, 1, 7. Remains 6. Yeah, no? Yeah, 6.
Yes,
Then 9 and 7, 6. Can you see that?
yes, ma'am.
And this is
196
7 like
also,
that. Can
but
you see that?
14.
Hello.
14,
So
right?
R will be equal to, look, from 7 and 7 I got 7.
7
From
and 14.
196 I got 14. From 100 I got 10.
10.
14 sevens 98.
9.8 is the radius. 9.8 centimeter.
Centimeter is it?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you see the calculations? Did you understand how to handle this?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood.
These are the tips and tricks that you have to revise. Understanding? See, in section 1, it's taken nearly 1.5 hours. Can you see that? And we have to yet finish this. Then circumference. Can you find circumference? What is the formula? You can do this, correct or no?
Ma'am, yes.
So I'm
Yes.
not going to touch that. Now read this.
Draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region.
Now this means it's going to be again time consuming because it's a graph question. Now tell me, you have to get the points for this. What will you say? Y is equal to y goes that side is equal to x plus 1, correct? Then you will make the columns. Did I tell you to make the columns?
Yes, ma'am.
X, then y equal to x plus 1, and then the point will be x comma y. Is it doable? Tell me. If I take x equal to minus 1, y will be minus 1 plus 1 means 0, and the point is minus 1 comma 0, correct? Then I'll take 0 here, so it will be 1 here, and it will be, tell me, 0 comma 1. Understanding? If this is 1 here,
Yes.
this will be 1 plus 1 means 2, so this will be your 1 comma 2. We understood the first line is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
You can plot this, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now that you understood this, you'll have to get the points for this. How will you get the points? 2y will be equal to 12 goes that side and 3x goes that side. Okay. So y is equal to, tell me, 12 minus 3x upon 2. Now here getting the points, is it easy? Not so easy. Some of you are getting worried. X, then y is getting you 12 minus 3x upon 2. And the point is what? X comma y, correct? Now I should take a point in such a way that it will be divisible by 2. If I take x equal to 2, what will I get? If I take x equal to 2, this becomes 6.
6 upon 2, 3.
So 12 minus 6 means 6, 6 upon 2 means 3. So what is the point? 2 comma 3. Alright. Can I take x equal to
4.
4? So this will be 12, this will be 0. How's it? Was it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can I take x equal to 6? No. Can I take minus anything?
I'm resting minus.
Minus, it will become minus minus plus and it will get a bigger number. I think 6 is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
6 is okay unless you want to take 1.5. No.
6 only better, ma'am.
6 is
It's
better.
okay.
Yes,
6
ma'am.
is 18. So minus 6 upon 2 means minus 3.
Yes.
Okay, so you have here 6
Six
comma minus 3. Understanding? Now obviously when you take the graph sheets from the school, this way you'll have 10 boxes, 10 big boxes. So each box is going to be 2 centimeters, correct or no? So you will have to take 2 centimeter equal to 2 units. Understanding? See, your big box is like this, no? It is like this. 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here, correct or no? And from here to here, there are 10 divisions. You know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will have to take 1 centimeter matlab this will be 1 and this will be 2. You can't write this 1 and this 2. Understanding? Okay, so this will be 4 and this will be 6, so that you will be able to fit in 6. Understanding? All right, now whatever said
Yes.
and done, your first point is minus 1 comma 0, so it's going to be somewhere here. Then 0 comma 1, so 0 comma 1 will be somewhere here, and 1 comma 2 will be somewhere here. So you will get a line something like this. Understood? Then here you will show the arrow and write this is your x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. You're with me? Then this is 2 comma 3, so 2 comma 3 will be somewhere here. This is 2, no, 2 comma 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 will be somewhere here. Okay, 4 comma 0 is here. All right, and 6 comma 3 minus 3, 6 comma minus 3 will be somewhere here. So you will get another line like this. You are understanding? So you will write
Yes,
this
ma'am.
equation you'll write here. Understanding?
Yes.
Now they say find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So you will have this one, you will call this as A, this is B and this is C. So the point of intersection will be your A. Read the coordinates. B, you already know what are the coordinates here, minus 1 comma 0, and C will be here, that is 4 comma 0. Understanding? Understanding what they have told you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now they
Yes.
say that shade the triangular region, matlab this they are telling you to shade. Understanding? And find the area of the triangle. What will be the area of triangle? You will measure from here to here. This is 4 and this is how much? What is this point? Minus 1 comma 0, no? So this is 4 and this is 1 unit. So how much is the base here? From here to here you'll read. How much will this be? This is 4 and this is 1. How much is this? Come on, this is 4 and this is 1. Together how much it is?
5 units. 5 units.
Understanding? Now here you will get the height, you will read this over here. How much is this? You will have to read from the graph. Then you will have to use what? Area equal to what? Half
Half
base
into base.
into height. Can you do it? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this again is time consuming. This will take you, some question like this will take you approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, and that is your section number A. Now in B, I'm not going to do each and every question. I'm just going to glance through and I'm going to tell you how to handle this. Is that okay if we just discuss this?
Yes,
ABCD is a rhombus. What does rhombus mean? What does rhombus mean?
All sides are equal.
And it's a parallelogram. Rhombus means parallelogram with all
Yes.
sides equal,
Yes.
not just all sides equal.
Yes.
Diagonals intersect here. They are telling you OAB is to OBA. OAB is this and OBA is this. Okay, so I'll call this as X and I'll call this as Y. This is my thinking step. What are they going to tell me? X is to Y is equal to, let us call this as A and this as B. So A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Therefore, let, what you will say, A means angle OAB equal to 2x degrees and B equal to, tell me, 3x degrees. Correct? Now you tell me, if all of these, this is a rhombus, okay, won't this angle also be A? In this triangle, they are telling you find the angles OAB. OAB, so A you have to find, then angle C you have to find. So this will be, I'll call this as M, and angle D, this one you have to find, we'll call this as N. Okay, understood? Now tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me, if this is A, this equal to this, so this is equal to this, correct? Agreeable to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what else can you say? This is 2:3.
Ma'am, the corners, the diagonals intersect at 90 degrees.
So this will be diagonals intersect each other at 90. So this angle is 90 degrees, yes. So can you spot this triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will I get? A plus B equal to 90 degrees, correct or no? This plus this is 180 degrees, correct? So this plus this will be 90 goes that side. So did you understand 180 minus 90? That is 90. Now A plus B means 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degrees. 5x equal to 90 means x equal to how much? 90 divided by 5 means 15 degrees, correct? So how much is your A? 3x, 2x means it will be 30 degrees. And what will be your B? Tell me. 45 degrees, yes. Understanding? Hello.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh.
90 divided by 5 is 18 degrees.
18, no? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, there was a big noise in the background. I don't know, did you hear some construction work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I was getting angry with that noise because I'm doing this, and in that anger, see what I did? I made a mistake. Okay, but thank you for bringing to my notice. Remember, don't get angry with your paper, you'll make a mistake. Learn from my mistake, okay? All right, so did you understand this now? OAB, how much is OAB? So we got OAB means A means 36 degrees, correct? Angle C, what will be angle C? Tell me. What will be angle C? And angle D?
70 degrees.
Why?
Because A and A, so the
This is 90. Okay, and this one is how much?
36 degrees.
36. So you can find this angle.
But angle DCA will
What?
be equal to angle
Okay.
CAB because alternate angles.
This is 36, correct?
Yes.
This is 36. So alternate angle you will take this way. Correct, no?
Yes.
This is this angle and this angle, alternate angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so this also will be 36 degrees, yes?
ma'am.
Okay, or you can say that the diagonals of rhombus bisect the vertical angles. So this will be 72 degrees, yes? So angle C is doable. Angle D, what will be angle D now? If this is B, this also will be B, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct or no? I can say that this diagonal bisects this angle. So B is how much? 54. So this will be 108 degrees, and opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So this will be 108.
Also,
Yeah. But can you see for 3 marks how much they are making you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Huh. 3 cubes each of volume blah are joined together end to end. Find the total surface area. First you'll get the total volume will be 3 into 125. Agreeable to you? How much is
Yes.
that? How much is that?
375.
375 centimeter cube, correct or no?
Yes, ma'am.
They are saying find the total surface area of the new cuboid. Now the new cuboid will have a length will be equal to, if the original cube is A, then the new length will be 3 times A. Yes. Breadth will be how much? Didn't understand. This is how the cubes are going to sit. Correct? So this will be 3A, but this breadth and this height will be A, and height also will be A. Correct? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now they are saying that the total surface area, now your L into B into H, the new volume will be 3A into A into A. That is 3A cube is equal to 3 into 125. I should not have done this. 3 got cancelled. So A will be equal to 5 centimeter. Yes.
I think it.
So the new cuboid will have this 3A means 15 centimeter, right over there, equal to breadth will be 15 centimeter, height will be 15 centimeter. Then can you find the total surface area?
Yes, ma'am.
What is TSA equal to?
6.
6. It will be 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Can be done? Can be done?
Easy,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You will see that because of this fraction here and fraction here, it becomes a little confusing. But we'll have to use a little bit of trick over here and consider this 1x squared as 6x squared upon 6 plus 17 upon 6x plus 5 upon 6. Now, if you converted it like this, then you can have 1/6 as the common factor, and you will have 6x squared plus 17x plus 5, and this is doable. The product is going to be 6 into 5, that is plus 30, and the sum of the factors is going to be plus 17. So the sum of the two factors must be 17, means it is 15 and 2. So it would become 1/6 here, 6x squared plus 15x plus 2x plus 15. And after this, you can handle this because 3x will be common. Here you'll have 2x plus 3 5 is 15, and plus 1 common here, and 2x plus 15. So you see, you can complete this on your own. So it will be 1/6 into 2x plus 5 into 3x plus 1. That would be your answer. It's not an easy paper. If you're not getting it, just leave that and let us look at the second one. Is this doable?
Yes, ma'am.
I can see c square plus 2cd plus d square and minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. Did you see the two squares here? What this will become, tell me? C plus d whole square, and minus into bracket it will be a squared minus 2ab. Just leave this, huh? Don't even rack your brains. I will put the solution later on. That's what I told you. It's important that you make sure that you write what is doable and don't waste time on something that is too difficult. Now from this you can do a plus b and a minus b. Tell fast. You can do this, correct? Yeah, tell fast.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
look at this. Question number 5. Can you see this thing is interchanged? So what you have to do, call this a statement equation 1, equation 2, and you have to add the two equations and subtract the two equations. Do you remember that? If you add the two equations, what are you getting? 53 plus 41 means how much it is? 94, right? So you get 94x plus 41, and this again will give you 94y. And when you add 135 to 147, 7 and 5 12, carry 1, so 4 and 4 8 and 2. Now this whole thing will get divided by 94. So you will have x plus y equal to how many times it is going? 3 times it's going. Can you see that? 3
Yes,
4 is
ma'am.
12, yes. So can you see this is your equation number 3? Understood? Then you have to do 1 minus 2. When you do 1 minus 2, 53 minus 41 is 12. So you'll get 12x minus this, no? So it will be minus 12y equal to this minus this. Are you getting again 12? Yes.
Yes.
Then can you see this whole thing is getting divided by 12? So x minus y equal to 1. And this is your equation 4. Write these one below the other, and then you see how easy it becomes. Understanding? Understanding. So you got 2y is equal to how much? 4. So sorry, 2x. 2x equal to 4. So x will be equal to 2. Then you will say substitute x equal to 2 in x plus y equal to 3. So y will be equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. And then you'll write solution set equal to what? Tell me.
2, 1.
2, 1. Very good. Understanding how to proceed. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now find the volume, total surface area, lateral surface area of. Lateral surface area means area of 4 walls. What does lateral surface area mean? Area of 4 walls. So know the formula, substitute. You'll be able to handle that, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can be doable, right? Let us just discuss this fast. 9th standard, thrice the number of girls exceeds number of boys by 24. In an athletic meet, 10% girls, 25% boys participated, which add up to 11 students. How many boys and girls are there? So what you'll say, let boys number equal to x, and what you'll say, girls number equal to y. Understanding? Now what do they say? 3 times the girls. Exceeds means is more than, so minus. Number of boys is equal to 24. So girls means what? 3y minus x equal to 24. Did you understand equation number 1? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 10% of the girls. So 10 upon 100 of girls means y, plus 25% means 25 upon 100 of boys participated, and this plus this is 11. So what I'll have to do, cancel this, and 25 ones and 25 fours, and my LCM here for this is 20. So I'll multiply by 20. If I multiply by 20, what will I get? 10 twos, so I'll get 2y, plus, so I'll write plus, 4 goes 5 times, so it will be 5x is equal to 22, and this 0. Understood? This is your equation number 2. What is my equation number 1? This. So I'll multiply this by 5 to get rid of that x. Tell me what it will become. 5 3 is 15 y minus 5 into this. Did you understand what I'm doing? and this is 120. This is your equation 1. Then what's happening here? 17y is equal to 340. So y will be equal to 17 2's means 20. Substitute and get the value of x. कर सकते हैं?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
fast. कर सकते हैं? Only discussing now.
Yes, ma'am.
In the figure, find the area of the shaded region to the nearest centimeter square. Shaded region is the triangle minus the quadrant. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
If this is 7, draw the diagram, this also 7. Correct? So, what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Correct? How much is the base? I'll use this 90 degrees. How much is this? 10. How much is this? 10. Correct? From here to here, how much it is? So it will be 10 into 10. Agreed? 2 goes 5 times. What am I getting? 50 centimeter square. Correct? Now area of quarter circle. Quarter circle is also called as quadrant. Will be equal to 1/4 of pi r square. Are you with me? Which is equal to
Yes.
1/4 into 22 upon 7 into r square is 7 into 7. Did you see that? 7 ones and 7 ones gone. 2 here and 11 here. What am I getting? 77 upon 2. How much is that? 38.5 centimeter square. Correct? So what is the shaded area? Shaded area, what you'll say, is equal to area of triangle minus, you can subtract and you can write those many centimeters square. Is okay? Is okay?
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
two adjacent sides of the, see on the spot how to think, that training you should have. Understanding? There is a parallelogram, 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Distance between the longer side, these are longer sides, so from here to here this vertical height is 12 centimeter. Find the distance between the shorter side, so you will draw here distance between, no, 1 minute, shorter sides, this you have to find. Understanding? This, let us say this is 90 degrees and you have to find this. So what you will say, tell me, area parallelogram is going to be equal to base into height, correct? So if I take 24 as the base, so if base is equal to 24 centimeter, then height is how much? 12 centimeter. Is it not so? If this is the base, then this is the height, yes? So
Yes, ma'am.
it is 24 into 12, correct? Centimeter square. And then you will say if the base is equal to 18 centimeter, then height, how much they are saying? So what you will say, that area of the same parallelogram will be equal to what? Base into height means 18 into h, which is equal to 24 into 12. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the area. They didn't ask you to find the area of the parallelogram, so leave it like this. Okay, so h will be equal to, tell me, 24 into 12 upon 18. 6 2's, 6 3's, 3 1's, 3 8's. How much it is? Now you have to write distance between shorter sides and then you say 16 centimeters. Answer statement you can write. This one is fine. I don't have to tell you. What about this? Metal cube of side, this thing melted, formed into 3 smaller cubes. The edge of 2 smaller cubes are this. Find the edge of the smaller side. You will be able to handle this.
Yes, ma'am.
Volume
Yes.
of the big metal cube is equal to sum of volume of the 3 smaller cube. Correct? And then you can do. Find the value of m and n. This also is agreeable. Some of you will say not agreeable. What is this? 2 to the power 4m is equal to, what is 16? It is 2 to the power 4, correct? And it is cube root of that, means it will be 1/3. And bracket to the power this means like this. Understanding? So 2 to the power 4m will be equal to 2 to the power 4 into 1/3 into 6. And what you'll write over here, the reason, a to the m bracket to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So 3 goes twice here, equating exponents. 4m is equal to 4 2's 8, m equal to 2. Then you'll take this and do exactly the same. Doable?
Yes, ma'am.
Doable?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see section 2 is better?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
a is 20. So what you'll write here? 3 into sine,
60
3
degrees.
into 20. 2 cos, 2 into 20 plus 5. You'll first substitute. Then what you'll say? Sine 60 degrees. Not just only 60. 60 degrees plus 2 cos 45 degrees upon what? 2 cos, this is again 60 degrees minus sine, what is this? 40 minus 10 means 30 degrees. Then you substitute and get the answer. Can we do it? Tell fast. You can?
Yes, ma'am.
See, can we see how fast we can go? Now here, can you see tan square 2x is this? So what you will do, you will write the value of this. How much is this? Tell me. Half into cosec. What does cosec mean? 1 upon sine. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. So 2 upon root 3. Did you understand? So you will have tan square 2x plus half into 1 upon sine means 2 upon root 3 whole square. Correct? Understanding? Equal to 1.
Yes.
So what did you get here? Tan square 2x plus this will be 1 upon 2 into 4 upon 3 equal to 1. Can you see that? This is 2/3. That goes that side. So tan square 2x is equal to 1 minus 2/3 means 1/3. Take the square root. Tan of 2x will be 1 upon root 3. Means it is tan of 30 degrees. So 2x is equal to 30 degrees, x equal to 15 degrees. Can we do it? Yes. Now, if you think
Yes.
this is going to be too time consuming, do it later on. Understanding? Then length, breadth, rectangular tank, blah, blah, respectively. Length and depth. Breadth is not given. If 300 ml of water is drawn from the tank, the level of water tank goes down by 2.5 meter. Find the width of the tank. Now listen, they are telling you there is a tank. Get diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic representation is important. Length is 24 meter. Breadth is how much? 8.5 meter. But it is filled, let us say filled to the brim. Now from here we are removing the water. How much water is removed? 300 meter cube is removed. So the level fell down like this. Understanding? How much did it fall down? 2.5 meter. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? Now what you'll say, volume of water removed. Water removed is going to be equal to 24 into 8.5. No, what did they say? Find the width of the tank. Sorry, what is 8.5? Is the depth. Made a mistake. Please cancel this. It was from here to here. Okay, this is 8.5. All right. So width means, let us say this width was breadth. Okay, this is your length equal to. So 24 into breadth multiplied by Tell me of this displaced water, how much is the height? They gave 8.5, but it is 2.5, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be
Yes, ma'am.
2.5 and this will be equal to how much? 300. Understanding? 300 is equal to, so breadth will be equal to 300 upon 24 and 2.5, so I am writing 25 and I am writing 10 here. Can we find this breadth? Tell me, is it doable?
Yes, ma'am.
Now they say find the maximum water. Now we already found the breadth from here. So maximum water will be this into pura 8.5. Can do?
Yes.
Can do? Is this a last
sir.
question?
No.
But this seems to be, see, section B is relatively easy. They have made you waste time in section A so that you'll panic over here. Now two parallel chords. Haven't I told you about these two parallel chords? How many times I have told you this? Correct? One is 30 and the other one is 16. So if this is 30, then this will be 15 and 15. This will be 8 and 8. Can you see both of them? The radius is the same. And
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
this? Radius is 17. So this distance will become 15. And if I take this one over here, this one will become 8. So the distance between the two will be 15 plus 8, 23. I have told you this question likes to come in the exam and I'm right. See, it came in their finals. Is it not so? Now look at this. Is it doable?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it doable? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What are they telling you? A, B, A, C. Where is A, B? A, B, A, C. 10 and 10. A, B is 6. A, B equal to... No, sorry. Triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle with AB equal to AC equal to 10 centimeter and BC is 12. Find the radius of the circle. Uh, uh, this is, I think you have the formula that area of scalene triangle is equal to sum of all sides, that is perimeter, multiplied by the in radius. Just check. I think this formula is there with you. So if there are three sides given, can you find the area? Yes. Isosceles triangle hai na?
Yes, ma'am.
Isosceles triangle you can find it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can, right? Okay. And in radius means this you have to find. So area you can find, and this will be the I think it is perimeter or semi perimeter. I can't recall. It is there in your textbook, Frank Brothers. So you can check with your textbook and you can do that. As I told you, I am discussing. AB is 6, AC is 10. So you can find out this using Python theorem. This will be 8 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this also will be 8 centimeters. From here to here is how much? Tell me. 6 centimeters. So how much is this? Tell me. 21 minus 6. How much is that? 15 centimeter. This is 15 and this thing. So this will be 17 centimeter using Python theorem. Did you understand up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
They say find
Yes.
AD and AE. So we found AD and we found AE. Correct? Now cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta will be this upon this. So that will be 8 upon 10. That will be 4 upon 5. And sin theta is this upon this, means 3 upon 5. So 6 upon 10. Okay, so this will be 4 upon 5. You know how to do this. This is easy. Then cot alpha and cosec alpha. Where is cot alpha? For this alpha, you know all three sides. You can find cot, you can find cosec. Tell yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
After doing the headache type of question, this looks like a piece of cake, right? Now the last
Yes, ma'am.
question. Area of the triangle sides are given. So scalene triangle, Heron's formula, you can do it. Hence find the height corresponding to longest side. So if you have like this, longest side is 42, so you will say area is going to be equal to half base into height, which will be half into 42 into the corresponding height, and area you already found out using Heron's formula. Can we do it? Tell fast.
Yes.
Yeah? Doable?
Yes, ma'am.
Construct parallelogram AC, BD and this. First of all, rough diagram. Constructions are easy. You should be able to handle. AC is A, B, C, C, D. They are giving you the diagonal. And BD is how much? 7. So BOC is 75. BOC. This is 75 degrees, correct? So you are going to start with BD. Understanding your B and no. You will have to put D here and B here. Understanding? Then for BD, BD is how much? 7. So this will be 3.5, 3.5. So you will show like this. Understanding? So this becomes your 90 degrees, but you want 75. So what you will do? You will do this, correct? And do this.
Correct.
So what will you get here? This is 60 degrees. Then between this you will bisect. So what will you get? Tell me. This angle will be 75, right? Understanding. Practice. If you don't know how to get 75 and even 105 and 135 degrees, okay, practice these, and 45 degrees. These are the angles. They are not asking just plain 60 degrees. They are asking you. The paper is kind of difficult, so you understood this part. Now this is your O. So if AC is 9, tell me how much will be AO? 4.5. How much will be CO? 4.5. So from here 4.5, from here 4.5, and this will be your A, this will be C. Then you join this. You think you can do this? Tell fast. Did you understand how this is to be done? Most of the questions are time consuming, but it's all right. Then construct, no, show that points blah 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 are the vertices of equilateral triangle. So what you will say, you will find OA using distance formula. You know the distance formula. Everybody knows this formula. Yes. Then
Yes, ma'am.
AB
Yes.
equal to, and then OB equal to. Whatever you get, each one of them will be X. Understanding? And then you will say since OA equal to AB equal to OB equal to X, therefore it is what? An equilateral triangle. Okay, so we have solved this entire thing. We have taken I have discussed mostly section 2 with you because there's no time to do everything, but you should be able to handle if you start with section B. Okay, so we finished the paper here.